Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this video, we're going to do a line drawing of Cristiano Ronaldo using Procreate for iPad. At times during this video, I'll discuss what I'm doing, so stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content. Let's get started. Before we start, I will introduce my tools. Majority of this drawing is sketched using the UdoCreatives sketching tool and UdoCreatives sketching 1 tool at 12% size with full opacity. Then, the shading is created with my smudge tool and soft brush. Sizing and opacity depends on location and use. We'll start by sketching the left side of his face. Nothing complex, just an outline to match my reference. I will also sketch the ears at this point. I'll expand this outline for his entire head and add his other ear. I'll also add one of his shirt collars. Next, I'll start sketching out his mouth, nose, and eyes. I know it looks weird now, but it'll be fine after I work on his eyebrows and hair. Next, I'll work on the outline for his clothes. Now, I'll add his eyebrows. Remember, it is better to take your time to get hair strands correctly through lining than just coloring black. This will give it a more realistic look. With the same lining technique as the eyebrows, I'll start working on his hair. Hair drawing takes real patience as we want to focus on the realism and pattern of the strands. Next is the shading step. Before that, feel free to pause the video and do a quick check around your sketch, just in case you want to make some modifications. Let's move to shading using my UdoCreatives sketching tool 12% size, full opacity. I'll soften my shades with the smudge tool and soft brush. We'll start with shading his face and neck, adding some shades to show areas of depth to ensure a more realistic look. Then, I grade out his face, using the soft brush across various areas. Same thing for the Adam's apple. Next, I will add even darker shaders in order to create shaven beard and slight mustache. These areas are typically darker, and so I am just marking them out. Next, I'll start working on some contour lines around his face. Same thing with the area under the lips. I'll use my smudge tool to smoothen out these areas. Next, I'll start adding some darker shades and details to his ears, starting with the left ear. Next, I'll start working on some contour lines around his face, adding and smoothing where needed. Our work is looking very three-dimensional now. I'll keep working around the face and neck areas until I am satisfied. One key part is deepening the shadows around the forehead, right under his head. This will make his hair look fuller than before, because of the depth being created. Next, I'll return to his hair and darken the strands, because I do not feel like they're dark enough. This will also help his hair have more volume. Back to the clothes, I'll mark out areas of shade to represent creases and shadows. Again, I will smoothen using my smudge tool. I'll add some minor finishing touches around to complete the work. And there we have it! Cristiano Ronaldo is drawn using Procreate for iPad. Remember that practice is key to improving on your art journey, so do not feel discouraged if you do not get it right the first time. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to always start out with a simplified sketch to see what designs you can experiment with. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.